Welcome students, welcome to my next video. Contribution of the Provincial Association. The topic. This topic is exclusively for IODL, that is Institute of Distant Learning, Bachelor of Arts. Now, my dear students, we are going to see what was the political association's contribution in Bengal. There was Indian Association. Then what was the objective of Bombay's association? What work did they carry out? Pune Sarvajanik Sabha, Madras Mahajan Sabha, and Bombay Presidency Association. So these are the topics which will be highlighted in this video. Now let us see. Sorry, I will be speaking in Hindi because most of the people, they prefer Hindi. So I would rather speak more on Hindi and less with English. अब इस पार्ट में हम देखेंगे कि रिवोल्ट ऑफ 1857, वो जो फेलियर था, जो विद्रोह हमारे भारतीयों ने किया 1857 में, वो सक्सेस नहीं मिला। तब इन्होंने क्या किया? इन्हें वेस्टर्न एजुकेशन दिया गया। राजा राम मोहन रॉय जी ने बोला है कि वेस्टर्न एजुकेशन मिला, अंग्रेजों का पाठ्य पद्धति जो है वो उन्हें मिला और उनमें जागरूकता आई। उन्होंने सोचा कि अभी हमारे भारतीयों के बीच में किस तरह एकता ला सकते हैं। हम लोग जाति के नाम पे सबके इन सब बातों से हम आपस में लड़ रहे थे। तो ये सब लड़ाई बंद करके, इस लड़ाई को छोड़कर किस तरह एकता लाना है, वो इस पार्ट में हम पढ़ेंगे। सिर्फ वो ही नहीं, अब एकता लाने के लिए सबसे पहला अब देखेंगे पॉलिटिकल एसोसिएशन इन बंगाल। जमींदारों ने पूरे मिलकर एक साथ परमानेंट रेवेन्यू सेटलमेंट जब बंगाल में आया, उन्होंने विद्रोह मचाया। उन्होंने विद्रोह किया कि इसके खिलाफ आवाज उठानी है, भले ही कोई उपजाऊ नहीं हो तो भी उन्हें पैसा भरना है। So the first political association was a landlords society, Zamindars Association, which was established in Calcutta on 12th November 1837 to safeguard Zamindars' interest. The members of this association used constitutional agitation to solve the problems. They sought to preserve economic interests of the landlords. The association created the example of organized agitation to keep their grievances. The second political association, the Bengal British India Society, was established on 20th April 1843. They collected the informations relating actual condition of the people under the British rule. The Landlord Society and the Bengal British British India Society could not achieve much success. However, they created political environment in the country. So the organization merged as a new association called the British India Association. Now we will see what did the British India Association do. British India Association ने क्या किया? जब ब्रिटिश इंडिया एसोसिएशन आया, उन्होंने अंग्रेजों के लिए अलग अलग बिल बनाया पार्लियामेंट में और उसे पास करने देखा जो हमारे भारत के खिलाफ था. Not only that, the Charter Act of 1853 provided additional grant for education. The Governor General Council was demanded by an association. Soon it was overshadowed by a dynamic organization called Indian Association. Despite this, association developed several limitations with the passage of time. One of them, that was the association, was the representative body of the zamindars only. It was never a popular organization of all India people. The association failed to meet the aspiration of a rapidly growing middle class. Now we will see Indian Association. What did the Indian Association do? Now, who has taken a lead role? Let us see. The failure of the British Indian Association led to an alternative, all Indian standing political organization. Sirish Kumar Ghosh Associates tried to organize like-minded people under the banner of Indian League. However, within a short period of time, it was succeeded by Indian Association. Now, what was the main aim of Indian Association? To create strong public opinion of political matter, the promotion of Hindu-Muslim unity, the participation of the masses in public movement. The programs and the activities of Indian Association composed of educated class professionals. Their methods was constitutional agitation to secure signature of the people and send petition to British authority. Agitation against civil service. You can see here the photograph of Surendranath Banerjee. The upper age limit of the civil service examination was reduced from 21 to 19 years by the British government. This was deliberately to prevent entry of Indian students into civil service. The leaders of the association gave a call for national agitation. You can see Sri Surendranath Banerjee toured Lahore, Amritsar, Delhi, Allahabad, Bombay, and many other cities. In 1877, mobilized public opinion. The tour of Banerjee created enthusiasm among the Indian. All Indian memorials of civil service questions were sent to the British Parliament. Vernacular Press Act or Arms Act in 1878. Lord Lytton, the governor, introduced Vernacular Press Act, which was brought many restrictions on press. हम देखेंगे कि न्यूज़पेपर में या समाचार पत्र में हम जो लिखते थे अंग्रेजों के खिलाफ, उस पर पाबंदी लग गई थी. लॉर्ड लाइटन ने ये वर्नाकुलर प्रेस एक्ट लाया। उनके हिसाब से यही था, जो भी तुम लिखोगे ब्रिटिशर के अच्छे कारनामे आप लिखेंगे, उनके खिलाफ आप कुछ लिखेंगे नहीं। Lord Lytton has aroused the public and they began to participate in the formation of strong public opinion. The Indian Association sent a memorial to the British Parliament. Lord Ripon was the next governor who cancelled this act. And let me tell you, Lord Ripon was one of the governors who was the strong supporter of the Indians. The Herbert Bill agitation. In 1883, Ilbert Bill, the law members of the Viceroy Council tried to abolish inequality in the judicial matter. The Europeans and Indians opposed this move by all means. The government yielded to the pressure and the bill was modified. The association supported the Albert Bill and protested against the imprisonment of Surendranath Banerjee. Consequently, Surendranath Banerjee was released on 4th July 1883. Despite of the remarkable achievement of Indian Association, it was called as a provisional association. Therefore, the association determined to be called as All Indian Conference, which came into existence in 1883. In all ways, the Indian Association played a vital role in political awakening in India. S.N. Banerjee, that is Surendranath Banerjee, voiced the grievances of the people. Also supported A.O. Hume to form Indian National Congress. Thus, I come to an end of the first part of this video. If you are a new viewer, please subscribe it. If you like the video, please do like it. If others are not aware of this video, please send the link. I wish you all the best.